Now this figure 19-26 deals with the length of the supply cords or cord in accordance with 440.64. Now we give you some information if you wanted to review in the NEC loop, like the general rules is 440.60, branch circuit rules is 440.62, the disconnecting rules is 440.63, and your cord and plug supply cords is 440.64. Now, notice that we have 120 volt, 240 volt, or 208 volt type circuitry here, single phase, cord and plug connected, window unit with a soft start. Again, the soft start just reduces inrush current characteristics that are not short circuit, ground faults, or overloads. And then notice the plug's permitted use, 440.13, 440.14, exception 2. And then I recommend you look at 210.21 through 210.24 along with the tables that are listed there. But what we're illustrating in this figure 1926 is cord length. So you see the cord and plug connected cord there, 10 foot for 120 volt circuitry, but for 208 or 240 volt circuitry, 6 foot, naturally single phase, in accordance with 440.64 in the NEC.